Setting up your Poly Studio P21 is fast and easy, with only 2 wires and no hassle. In the box, you'll see the display stand, the power cord, and the USB cable. The USB cable includes a USB-C adapter. Before you connect anything, go to support.hp.com/s-n/poly and make sure that you have both Poly Lens Desktop and the DisplayLink driver installed and configured on your computer. Poly Lens Desktop is required to customize your Studio P21 settings and check for future firmware updates. Once both are installed, insert the display stand into the display. Then, plug the Studio P21 into a power source. Connect the USB cable to the back of the Studio P21 and your computer. Make sure that the end with the adapter is connected to your computer, as the cable is directional. Use the convenient cable holder to keep your cables in place. You can set up the Studio P21 to be either an extended display or a mirrored display based on your needs. These options are in your computer's display settings. Now, your Poly Studio P21 is ready to use.